Managing multiple maintenance medications on a daily basis can be a real hassle. You got to make sure to take the right dose at the right time. You got to remember to actually take the medication. That's huge right there. And if you happen to be traveling, you got to make sure that your medications are organized well. What if there is an easier way? Today we will go over what PillPack from Amazon Pharmacy is and how it simplifies the whole maintenance medication routine. We will go over how to access PillPack, how much it costs, and lastly, we'll talk about the overall experience signing up. Stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this. So let's talk about what brought me to PillPack. So for me personally, I found out a few years ago that due to a childhood illness, I have low magnesium and potassium, and I have to take a very high prescription-based dose of both, along with the diuretic. Here we go. Here's the potassium, here's the magnesium, and here's the diuretic. And I really need these very high doses in order for my baseline to be normal. Otherwise, if I don't happen to take them, I have very little energy and I candidly don't get things done. So every Sunday, I spend a lot of time organizing my medications for the week. We get it done, but sometimes you're in a rush. Perhaps I forget to put a pill in a specific day. Or let's say I do put all the pills where they're supposed to be and I'm traveling, or let's say I have to run out for an appointment. There are times where I forget to take some of the medications, and then later on I'm challenging myself like, hey, did I actually take this medication? Should I take the makeup pill? What's the overall best thing to do? And I've been looking for a while now to try to find the best way to address taking these medications, and that's what led me to PillPack by Amazon Pharmacy. So what exactly is PillPack, John? I'm glad you asked. It's basically a full-service online pharmacy within the Amazon Pharmacy program. Ultimately, with PillPack, if you're taking multiple maintenance medications, it organizes those medications in daily tear and go packs that are easy to open, with the overall goal of helping you be more adherent to your medication routine. Moreover, PillPack is stocked with pharmacists 24/7. It works with most insurance companies and PBMs, and it delivers the medications to your house on a monthly basis with the ultimate goal to make sure that you take your medications when you need to take them. So how do you actually sign up for a PillPack, John? Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to take our phones, we're going to open up our Amazon app, we're going to type in Amazon Pharmacy, and then we'll show you the rest on the iPhone.
Okay, so the first thing that we need to do to sign up for PillPack is to open the Amazon app. We do that, and then on top, we type in Amazon Pharmacy. It's going to ask us to sign up or sign in. We click that button. And now on top, now that we are within Amazon Pharmacy, we type in PillPack. And on top it says, hello PillPack, goodbye sorting meds, which is our ultimate goal. We click the icon. And now in the middle of the page, we are going to click sign up for PillPack. Below that it says all your meds in convenient packets. Service and delivery are free, which is key. Automatic refills every 30 days, and you can speak with a pharmacist 24/7. So we click sign up, and we are going to select our two medications. So two of my medications are eligible for PillPack. My potassium supplement, unfortunately, is not eligible for PillPack, so I'll need to continue to do that outside of PillPack. Click add two meds to PillPack. Once we do that, it says review and finish signing up for your PillPack. My first PillPack delivery arrives Monday, June 30th. PillPack ships every 30 days. Just note that PillPack is not child resistant. I have to acknowledge this by checking the box that said I request packaging that is not child resistant. And at the bottom, I'm going to click the big orange button that says finish signing up for your PillPack. And that's it. Congratulations, I'm all signed up for PillPack, and we will report back once I receive my actual medications from Amazon Pharmacy PillPack.
Now, here's one thing that I didn't like about PillPack. So, while my diuretic and magnesium medications are definitely covered and eligible for the program, the potassium supplement that I'm taking right here, the Chlorcon M20, that's currently not part of the program. So, unfortunately, I'm going to need to take that medication outside of this and continue to organize those pills. Hopefully, in the very near future, Amazon Pharmacy decides to add my potassium medication to the PillPack program. Now, in about a month from now, my first shipment from PillPack will arrive, and once it does, we will show you what it looks like and what my overall thoughts on the program are. Until then, we want to hear from you guys. Were you one of the early adopters of using PillPack or Amazon Pharmacy? And if you did, what was your overall experience like? Comment below.